Section. You might read a specific section of a daily newspaper or sit in the cheering section of a sports stadium. In legal drafting, a section is a fundamental unit of textual organization. A section is a distinct numbered paragraph or subdivision within a statute, legal code, or formal contract. In many European civil codes, a similar structural unit is officially referred to as an article. Laws and contracts are complex documents with many rules. Organizing them into numbered sections allows lawyers to navigate the text efficiently. Every section typically focuses on one specific legal concept. When arguing a case, professionals pinpoint a rule by citing its exact section number. This prevents confusion and ensures accurate interpretation. Sections can be further broken down into subsections for greater precision. For example, a state legislature passes a massive new criminal code. It covers everything from theft to traffic violations. A defense attorney needs to find the specific penalty for petty vandalism. Instead of reading the entire book, they flip directly to section 402. That specific section clearly defines vandalism and outlines the maximum fine. In court, the judge will state that the defendant violated that exact section.